Tips and tricks for traveling with someone living with dementia. My mom's apprehensive on going on a trip to Florida, lives in Canada. Whoa, with my dad, has dementia, and two of their friends. I want her to feel comfortable going and be able to enjoy some time away. That is a long trip. Um, to take someone living with dementia. Yeah, I would absolutely be apprehensive. It depending on where he is with his cognitive impairment, it may be very difficult for her to enjoy that trip. I would say it may make sense to not take him, to not go, or to bring someone with her who can help provide care. Again, depending where he is. Maybe, if you can go or somebody, I don't want to put that on you, but if somebody else can go, even if it's a paid caregiver, um, who can assist, there are companies that will actually fly with you. They'll provide like a flight nurse if the flight is going to be the most stressful part of that journey. But we want her to enjoy being there. And if she's caring for someone the whole time, there's a pretty good chance that, you know, she's not going to be able to like actually enjoy that. So I'd be also curious, like, is she taking him because he can't be at home alone, or is she taking him because they're also bringing, the other ladies are bringing their husbands, or like, what does that look like? So I would just, you know, want to make sure she's enjoying her time and having some help. Is it possible to come
For
on?
dementia to come
Oh, it's
on.
possible dementia come on over a period of months. My mom is 93. She lost her last friends. All of her siblings and friends have passed within weeks of losing her last friends. Rapid loss of memory. She literally could never remember. Yep, 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 yep. Yes, it is possible to come on quickly. It's a little more rare for it to come on quickly like that, but if there is a lot of emotional turmoil, that can absolutely be a trigger. It can speed things up. Perhaps she already had some cognitive impairment and this really like made it speed up. But I still think it would be useful to get an evaluation with a doctor to make sure there's nothing going on. When you say prior to that, just aging memory issues, there is some short-term memory relate issues related to aging, but it shouldn't be anything that is more than, oh, what's that person's name? Or, forgetting the keys every so often, or like forgetting what you're on your grocery list. It shouldn't be drastic. If it's very obvious that you're aware of it, it's probably more than just aging related. She probably did have some cognitive impairment beforehand. But again, this might not be a bad idea to get an evaluation because of how quickly this progressed.